Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I've got a new ingredient that would help you to remove all of your dark underhands. Okay, now the thing is that sometimes I myself usually experience dark underhands. That is as a result of my roll-on, and sometimes I don't scrub like as often as I would have scrubbed, so the wetness and begin to pile up and stuff. That place is sometimes wet because you're sweating. Okay, so it tends to develop some skin and then it get dark. So in today's remedy I'm gonna be showing you an ingredient that would help you to clear all of those darkness, and you are gonna be so happy. Alright, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, and also don't forget to turn on that bell right beside the subscribe button. Alright, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, please leave your comments below. I want to see so many comments below, and I'm going to be answering your questions. Well, I'll try as much as I can to answer your questions. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so to remove a dark underhands, you're going to be needing bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Now, because baking soda is a great exfoliatant to the skin, it would therefore help to exfoliate the dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and a newer skin, and to also help in removing the dirt, the accumulated dirt under the armpits, therefore revealing a brighter and a more fresher skin. So for the baking soda, I'm going to be taking in 1 full tablespoon of baking soda. Okay, do not use baking powder, because I know some of you guys are going to be asking me, is it baking powder? Don't use baking powder, it has to be baking soda. Okay, now to follow suit, we're going to be making use of Vaseline. Now this is an home remedy that helps so much in moisturizing the skin. So using Vaseline alongside with baking soda is going to effectively remove all of the dullness and all of the wetness, therefore making it looking or feeling really shiny and lighter. Alright, since petroleum jelly in this treatment is very important, I'm going to be scooping in just half teaspoon of that, so it could help in moisturizing the armpits while we scrub. And also you're going to be making use of Colgate toothpaste. Okay, now the essence of using Colgate toothpaste, the minty flavor in Colgate toothpaste would evenly brighten up your skin, and it will also prevent your skin from getting darker, therefore leaving your skin very polished and remove all of the dead skin cells around that area. And after doing that, I'm going to be pressing in about 1 full tablespoon of this toothpaste. It has to be a white toothpaste, guys. White. Now to make it even better, we're going to be making use of cucumber. Now cucumber contains an astringent property which helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells. It therefore leaves the skin younger, youthful. Now cucumber juice helps to exfoliate the wrinkled skin. Using it alongside with baking soda would effectively remove all of the darkness around your underhands. Okay, so now we'll need just a little piece of this cucumber. Okay, so however you want to prepare your cucumber is still okay. You can either blend it or you can crate it and extract the juice. If you blend the cucumber, you can use the whole of the cucumber, which is going to be mixed with the juice and the fiber, which is going to help so much in the scrubbing process. Okay, and I'll be needing a very small blender. I have this small platinum blender that I use. Okay, so I'm gonna blend all of this. Alright guys, so now I would have to turn the blended cucumber paste into this bowl. Right guys, so after that you have to mix. Okay, so in this one my baking soda have some seed, so I have to take a little time to mix it and mix it well. Okay, so you have to make yours really the consistency has to be friendly so you can actually scrub out those dead skin cells. Okay, so let's give it a little time to stir it and mix it really well so that it could be very friendly when we want to use it. Okay, hey, what's up? Alright, so for the dark underhands, this is how it looks like. Okay, the thing is that sometimes I actually do experience darkness under my hands, maybe because I've actually not scrubbed for so long, it might be, and sometimes, you know, because of some roll-on and some spray, okay, it tends to leave my hands looking dark. So let's use this. Okay, and for now this is how my hand is actually looking like. Okay, looks like this. Not very dark, but of course it's different from my other hands. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to grab this treatment and then apply it there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is to hold it on for some while, okay, and then I'll apply to under my hand here. Okay, now before you apply this treatment, you have to make sure that there is no hair around that place, okay, so that it would just remove the darkness around that place. Okay, so what you do next is to give it a little massage. Okay, that will help in removing the wetness, excessive wetness, and the darkness around that place. It will help also in getting rid of it. So you scrub it for a little while. Now if you're having excessive darkness, guys, when you use this treatment like 3 times in a week, like you skip some days and you scrub for some days, you're going to see a huge improvement. But you have to make sure that your baking soda is enough, okay, to scrub out all of the dead skin. So after scrubbing for some while, I'm going to be holding it. You can actually use a brush. I used to have a brush, I think I still have it, yeah, somewhere there. I used to have a brush that I use in scrubbing my underhand, but for now it's not reachable. So what I do is to scrub it and leave it on for it to, you know, lighten it up a little bit. The oil essence is just to make your skin evenly, like all of your skin evenly toned. So let me scrub again. Let me show you how it is. See how it is? At least it's a little bit lighter. Okay guys, so here is my underhands that I actually did not scrub. You guys know that. And this is the one that I scrub. You can see the difference. Okay, you can see the difference. And this one, I didn't scrub this, but I scrubbed this. Okay, all right, so that's it guys. And the thing is that these things are actually natural, so you have to also be consistent in using it, and you have to give it a little time to work out, at least some few days, and you know it's going to begin to work so well, because there's no chemical in it, so you don't expect a miracle. But the thing is that the very first day you know start using it, you are going to begin to see a huge result. All right, so that's it guys. If you did love the video, don't forget to hit on the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share this video and don't forget to turn to comments. Yes, leave your comment below and turn on that bell beside the subscribe button, and please share this video and I'll come your way again. For now, bye, and go take care of your underhands. Bye guys.